Hi guys, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are doing peach jam. So what you're going to need for this is 4 cups of peaches. They need to be skinned and pitted and then crushed with a potato masher. A packet of pectin, powdered pectin, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 5 cups of sugar. So the first thing we're going to do is take 4 cups of our mashed peaches and we're going to put them into a pot, and we are going to get them to a boil with the pectin and the lemon juice. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we've got our 4 cups of peaches and we've got it now on a high setting so we can get it to boil, and we are going to add our packet of powdered pectin. I'm just using Sturdo for ours. And then your 2 tablespoons of your lemon juice, and then we're going to mix that around, and like I said, bring that to a boil. Okay, and now that we've got it to a boil, we are going to add our half a teaspoon of cinnamon and our 5 cups of sugar. And we're going to mix that around, and we need to bring this back up to a boil once the sugar and the cinnamon is mixed in. And once it's back up to that rolling boil, we let that boil for 1 minute. So let's do that now. So now we've let it boil for the minute. We've taken it off the stove, off the heat, and we're going to take the foam off of the top, and you can put it in a separate bowl. Some people save it. We just get rid of ours. But get rid of that foam, and then we can start jarring. Okay, so now we are going to funnel our jam into our jars and leaving about 1/2 inch headspace at the top. And then when you're doing it, you're taking a wet paper towel or cloth and you're wiping the rim before you put the lid on. Make sure there's no debris. And then you're going to get your warmed up lids from the water over on the stove. And then add in your bin. And you're going to want to be careful because everything is hot. The jar is hot, the jam's hot, the lid's hot, everything's hot. So just be really careful when you're tightening it. You might want to wear an oven mitt. And now we're going to put these into the water bath. So now we're about to drop them into the water and process them in this water bath for 5 minutes. And once they are done processing for 5 minutes, we can pull them out of the pot. And that's it for our peach jam. Thanks so much for joining us, and join us next time. Bye.